National Health Mission Manipur, under its National Program for Prevention and Control of Deafness NPPCD, and in association with Health Services, kicks off International Week of Deaf People 2024 today at Hotel Classic Grand, Chiang Mai Rong. The program is being organized on the theme Sign Up of a Sign Language Rights. Speaking in the program, NPPCD State Nodal Officer Dr. Mutum Viveksan said, according to a study conducted in 2020 by ICMR, 9.9% of India's population are deaf, and 51.2% out of these people are those above 60 years of age. A total of 3,900 people were detected to have hearing issues in Manipur within the period of April 2023 to August 2024. 185 individuals are suffering from total complete loss of hearing. NPPCD has taken up various steps to prevent hearing loss and also to rehabilitate those deaf persons. Meanwhile, speaking in the program, Health Minister Dr. Sapam Ranjan stressed on the importance of learning sign language in order to communicate with people with hearing issues. He also appealed to people with hearing loss issue to get rehabilitation assistance from government. Also speaking in the program, Social Welfare Director Ngangom Uttam urged local body members Pradhan to educate people in their localities about various benefits provided by government to people having hearing issues.
Health haiba sige subject sidadi health haiba sige department sidadi we need to spread the awareness for prevention of many of the illness. Prasana aware way people, community participation in many of the illness, community participation. Ama yawiba, ama matutay and I media isina utamzage. And a cluster area that was a case kara enkalaise. We seek the support of every individual, local clubs, duga whoever, especially media person, daina awareness spread tamuna bidamakta. Public akoi coding aware way minasi duga dengi se koi thingna minasi haidana. I reiterate tamzage.
All Manipur Association of the Deaf and Mute commemorated International Day of Sign Language today at the Loktak Hall of the Manipur Press Club. Social Welfare Minister Haikam Dingo, Deputy Director of the Social Welfare Department L. Dhaneshwar, Konjel founder Rohan Philam, and Idubrium founder Jimmy Thangjam, among others, attended the event. Speaking on the occasion, Minister Dingo maintained the significance of sign language and highlighted the lack in the inclusion for the welfare of the deaf community, despite the department has initiated various developmental projects. He also assured to launch welfare projects aimed at enhancing support for sign language.
Disabled boards, definitely boards, among you consider painful. Masaki, Tonga is all the pictures of Magi, quality of related. Society is laid up. When a contribution, I did a different way, not disabled way, not a question, on a sort of a memo. I don't know what hunter me. I was the activities of Sakila, Samas contribution, machine war Germany, the social department is signed idea of different music. The only communication for different music when this time is low, many talk about the Yamama different music, welfare as if you have within 2 months, 2 months of production of the kind of target of it. 2 months of production, the kind of